herzlich willkommen zu Botshing TV. I'm Benjamin Meyn, this is Hoover Dam and
quite a few guys.
Nice view.
Up on that.
So, yeah, a lot of electricity. That's where Transformers was filmed, a scene, yeah. So, come here on the border between Arizona and Nevada. There is Nevada, there is Arizona, we are in Arizona now. On the way to the Grand Canyon. Hoover Dam, yeah. This is my driver, Habib. Say hello, Habib. Hey. No, it's Shrikar, it's not Habib, yeah. And Hoover Dam, and we have a lot of fun on the trip, and yeah. So
and
see
he's
you
getting more and more crazy.
Yeah, I'm getting more and more crazy because
the sun is high up and it's shining hard.
Yeah.
I'm not crazy.
No.
See you.
The one-eyed
Es tut mir leid, doch ich muss leider gestehen, es gibt Dinge auf der Welt, die sind leider geil. Autos machen Dreck, Umwelt geht kaputt, doch eine fette neue Karre ist leider geil.